Why would you even need a Pro Tools template? Well, I'm C-Noch Chubb Knoxx, Mr. Rock to be dropped. Let's take a look at my new Pro Tools template. All right, so right off the back here, as I have opened up Rock Till We Drop Pro Tools template, you'll see that I have several tracks here. Okay, so now there are several reasons right off the back that I can think of that you might need a template for recording. Time management and workflow. You definitely want to be able to just get right in and start vibing and get your flow right. Sometimes it takes a little time to get that sound that you want, and if you can just click, you know what I'm saying, or grab and go, you know what I mean, open up a session and just jump right in there, that's all the better. You know what I mean? You ain't gotta spend so much time. You might just have a little a tune in your head. You might just already have a track and you just want to get an ideal down. You know what I mean? With that being said, you want to just jump right in and just do your thing. With this Pro Tools template, you have plugins already set for you, and they're tweakable. They're tweakable sounds. You can just jump right in and, you know, all right, well, the high is too high for this person's vocal or my vocal or whatever, the talent's vocal, the lows, whatever, you know what I mean? But for the most part, you know, the way that I have these settings on the plugins, everything is good and ready to go. Another reason I can think of you might want to have a Pro Tools template is just flat out impressing, you know, your customer. When the customer comes in and it's taking you a lot of time to fumble around and get their sound tight, you know, a lot of cats that I work with, they want to put the headphones and be ready to go. They don't understand the engineering. They don't understand the engineering part. They just know that, hey, I'm getting ready to give you some bread or whatever, and I'm ready to record. All the talent knows is I want to sound good when I put these headphones on. I want to sound good when I'm stepping up to the microphone, and I don't want nothing to distract me from my vibes. You want to be that go-to person. You want to be that go-to engineer. You know what I mean? Why do you want to be the go-to engineer? Because there are thousands of engineers out there in your city, in your state, in your county. They messing up the game. They charging the low prices, and you know what I'm saying, is crazy. You want to be the go-to person on that next level. You know what I mean? You want to be the guru. You don't want to say you the guru, but you want others saying that you the guru. You know what I mean? You want them talking about your work like, yo, that sounds good. Where you get that from, man? Yeah, I went to Chubb Knoxx studio, man. Yeah. Anyway, so let's move on. So time is a factor when it comes down to you know, having a talent ready, you know, running sessions and different things like that. You don't want to waste the artist's time. First impressions are lasting, meaning that the first experience that you have with someone or something, you remember that. Even though you might be a person that's more than capable, they don't remember all the college you went through. They don't remember all the things that you had done, you know what I'm saying, to get where you are right now. I have several tracks here. On the record track, this would be for your vocals, for your main vocal or whatever. Your second vocal, you know, you could duplicate these if you want to. You know what I mean? And get that same channel setting. Also, here's a ad-lib track or ad-life. That's what I call it. I like to call it ad-life track, you know what I mean? But of course, you can always just duplicate the track. You're an engineer, you already know what to do. I have these tracks bust into separate tracks. Vocals for the hook or the chorus, then background. That's particularly how I do mine as an R&B singer, a gospel singer, and a singer of various genres. It's more catered to that, but that can always be modified. You can just double click, you can rename it, you know what I mean, and you know, just modify this thing for yourself. I got a long reverb here on this channel. I got a delay and I got a crush. Okay. I'm going to do a video on the crush compression. I like to add like overly compress certain tracks to just give it a little bit more, you know what I mean? Because sometimes when you take away those high frequencies or those low frequencies, you know, you want to bring just a little bit back, but not too much, you know, so that you can give it that sound that you're looking for. Okay, and then I have a track here for the beat. So you can take that and move these things around if you want to. Then you can go up here to file and save as template, and then you can put it in your desired folder wherever you save your templates. So that's just a quick look at what I have going on here. I'm not going to open up any channel settings or anything like that because I don't want nobody taking my stuff. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, make sure you like and subscribe. Hit that bell button. It really helps a YouTuber out when you guys, you know, leave a comment. You know, tell me what you think about this video. Tell me if you think Chubb on that bull butter, or if you think this is dope, or if you downloaded it from chubbknoxx.com. Make sure you visit the website, you know, share some of my stuff, you know what I mean? Sign up, leave me your email so that when I come out with new videos and new content, you know what I'm saying, you guys could just go ahead and just straight up, you know what I mean, be in the loop. All right, anyway, I have a free Rock Till We Drop drum pack, you know what I mean? So I'm trying to make it worth your while, you know what I'm saying, to holler at your boy C-Noch, Chubb Knoxx, you know what I'm saying? You can just click that download button, sign up, give me an email, you know what I mean? I promise you I ain't gonna bug you, you know what I mean? I just want to keep you in the loop, you know what I'm saying, give you something free here and there, and, you know, support your people, support your, you know, the independent artist, support the independent creator, you feel me? So that's a quick look, man. I thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Yeah, I gotta say that twice, so what? I gotta say like and subscribe, hit that bell button, because some of y'all gonna watch the video and then y'all just gonna exit out. Y'all ain't gonna leave no comment, y'all ain't gonna hit no thumbs up. Some of y'all might even hit the thumbs down. Don't look, just because my hair look like this, don't hit the thumbs down, you feel me? Don't do that. All right, I'm being silly though, but for real, go check out that Rock Till We Drop pack. Also check out the Rock Till We Drop template, and I appreciate you. Holla at your boy C-Noch, Chubb Knoxx. Y'all have a good one.